Sortso, £4, September 22, unbleached, very basic, same both sides, reversible, pretty tough, flat woven, no nonsense. Tassels at the end. I'll probably cut them off. Not the thread though. Don't want it to unwind. Not as thick as the other Tanum was at £5, but still decent quality. Sortso 704 185 18 for your house. Sortso. Is this any good information for you? Is this information of any use when I do this? Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, it moves a bit, which I guess any cotton one will do, any cotton rug, but I've crunched it up for your viewing pleasure. I'll compare it with three of the cheapest in IKEA. I don't know if they're all the cheapest, but they're definitely three of the cheapest. So you can see from sizes that the Klejs is the smallest. Then Sortso, and then Tanum. Yeah, and Tanum is also the thickest. Then Sortso, and then Klejs. And Klejs is made of jute, the other two are made of cotton. And remember that all these ones are unique. All these ones are unique, these Tanum, because they're making them from leftovers from their cotton textile manufacturing in Bangladesh. So everyone's unique. This one's unbleached cotton, and it's not as thick, but still pretty good. And then finally the jute one at £2, Klejs, the cheapest they say that I've got. They're all very nice. Probably I would go for Tanum now. I would splash out the cash and go for Tanum. They come with these tassels. That one comes with tassels down the side. I'll probably cut all of them off, right enough. And then you've got the basic Klejs one at £2. This is the thinnest as well. They're all reversible. So you pay your money and you take your chances. Okay, it's all over. Here's another Tanum just to show you that they're all unique. So I'm just doing a walk test to see if there's anything about them I don't like, you know, actually walking on them, which is the whole idea. Not really. I mean, these two are cotton, so maybe a wee bit nicer, but nothing that's going to put you off walking on jute. Nah, even your bare feet, yeah. They say they're reversible, but I'm wondering how I'll get this off. If this will just rip off. I'm going to try now, live. Here you go. Well, that's better. Well, yeah, I really did, I suppose. I'm just trying a slippy test. That one moves around a lot. Well, that one does quite a bit as well. So does that one. That's probably the best of them, but they're all pretty slippy. I feel especially that one, but I may just be biased, because that one really does a lot of it. Maybe because that one's going to fold up, you might have a better chance. But that one you're going to, it's like a banana. So there you go, a very scientific test for you. What one would Charlie Chaplin use? I think that one, because it doesn't seem to fold up. Well, it does. I don't know. I was just doing a more high velocity slippy test, and I actually think this one might be your best chance to, your least dangerous, but all of them are dangerous for this one, because it sort of folds up and that. This one I thought would be good, but actually I think that it sort of glides over a bit better than this one. That holds a bit better, but this one, you're finished. You're using that in comedy sketches, that one. On carpet, they all hold steady, no problemo. Maybe even jute's the best at holding on carpet. On carpet. Alright.